Hey, can Python read your mind? I bet Python can guess what you're thinking. Well, almost. Let's build a game in just few minutes or few seconds. Today we are making our first real game using Python. First we import the random module. Today I have chosen something different for you. Something which is very which will create your interest, build your interest in the Python more. So today's task is to import random module. How we can import? This is a built-in function which have multiple properties, and the very important property is it can choose randomly, even though we will also not able to understand what the computer has chosen for us. Okay, now let Python secretly choose a number. For this we have to write a line like number is equal to random dot rand int, and here I am going to give the limit. It's up to you that which limit you want to decide. I have chosen 1 till 10 just to make it short. And now we have to give a input. We have to ask the number from the user as well, like what they are thinking. So the number must be in the integer form. That's why I have given the data type int, about which we have to discuss in detail as well. But today, just I thought that there should be something interesting in which you will be interesting more. Guess our number between 1 to 10. We have to tell the users not until till where they can choose the number. Okay. So after that, now I am choosing one condition which if about this we have to discuss as well, but I'm writing the syntax. The main is syntax which we are working on. Indentation should be right. Is equal to number, colon, and then automatically the cursors, when I press enter, automatically the cursor enter with the correct indentation. If the guess is equal to number, which guess I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you. So I will say, the computer will say it's correct. Otherwise, I'm using else function. In else, I will write obviously wrong. Print wrong. What do you say? What is gonna happen here? Let's run it. Cheese. Oh, can you see down here? It is asking for the guess a number between 1 to 10. For example, if I will guess 10, oh, the computer is saying you are wrong. For example, I'm going to run it again. Now I'm going to choose 9. I'm again wrong. Every time I will guess a number, it will change its number as well. Like 4, again I'm wrong. Like 2, again I'm wrong. What about 6? There should be a right number. What about 1? Again wrong. But I do not have more time to share more of the numbers, so it's up to you to just create a program which I have shown you here. You can take the screenshot while or in the video you can practice the program as well. Okay, that's it. You have created a guessing game using variables, input conditions, and Python random module. Tomorrow I'll show you how to keep asking until the player finally wins. Follow for day 10. Okay? Till then, Allah Hafiz.